Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is going to be an after Thanksgiving clean with me. We hosted Thanksgiving at our house and this is what we woke up to Friday morning. My kitchen was quite the disaster zone. This video was filmed Friday afternoon. I did have a super lazy morning on Friday, so we did cook breakfast like amongst the mess. So the kitchen is a little bit messier than when we first woke up. And what's even worse is that my husband's family actually did probably half the cleaning before they left on Thanksgiving. So that gives you an idea of how bad the kitchen and the dining room was. On Thanksgiving, I ran my dishwasher twice, and I don't think that's ever happened. I think I can count on one hand how many times I've had to run the dishwasher more than once in a day. So that's today's video. I am tackling my kitchen and I'm also tackling my dining room. My dining room wasn't too bad, just needed the table to be cleaned off and just some quick tidying. But my kitchen really needed a good scrubbing. The floor needed to be washed. There was just kind of food and just, I don't know, gross things all over the floor. So I have a feeling I'm not alone, so I hope you enjoy this. I'm sure that there's other people with really messy houses out there right now. So I hope this video gives you guys the motivation and the inspiration you need to get your house clean after Thanksgiving. If you didn't celebrate Thanksgiving, that's okay too. I hope you're doing well. Maybe you do need some motivation, so I am here to provide it. So without further ado, I'm going to let some music play and yeah, I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.
Fight for me, that's all I ask you do. Don't erase me. Silence is a thoughtless way to let go, then to face me. I wasn't always the bad guy in the stories you were told. What are your friends all saying? Hanging on my watch, my thoughts are overrun. To think that you have left me, to think that we are done. I'll go, and you'll never save me. Fight for me. staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it. So I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. It's hard because I'm falling, 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 falling,
I've seen this day turn to blue eyes, want to fade away into the scars, all lights on my bones. I'm here to stay, and I wanna know what it's all about. Get to the part where there are no doubts. Get to the part where I feel complete. I've been on the run for so long. Now I found me. Fears disappear, I'm standing strong. I'm breaking free.